I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in BNE Group of Colleges. Today I am deliver my lecture on decision making behalf of Guru KPO. First of all, we have to discuss about decision making in C language. C language, basically decision making structure required the programming specify one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program. The general form of a typical decision making structure found in most of the programming languages. This is the most common thing where we have to make decision with two operands with using different operators. First of all, we have to start, then condition. If condition is true, then we have to go conditional code and execute direct. If condition is false, then we have to go, then we have to execute. For example, I have to say another example in this. For example, we have to find largest among two numbers. So we have to use logic. A is greater than B. If true, then A, then false is B. And we have to use the decision making tree. We have to input the values, then in decision box, if A is greater than B. First of all, we have to read values. Read A and B. Then condition, we have to use condition in diamond box. If condition is true and false, if true, then it will be goes to A is largest. Sorry. If condition is true, then goes to A is largest. If condition is false, then it goes to B is largest. Then it will be go to this position and stop. It means basically we have to see decision. It means when we have to use conditions. Any kind of conditions. I have used largest among two numbers. Largest among two numbers. We have to use find even odd numbers and largest among three numbers. There are different kind of conditions in decision making. We have to use and perform our task. Basically using this pictorial representation. Now we have to use C programming language provides the following decision making statement. There are different kind of decision making statements are used in C programming language. Basically if statement, if else statement, then nested if statement, switch statement, nested switch statement. There are 5 types of decision making statements are used in C language. First of all, we have to using if statement. An if statement consists of a boolean expression followed by one or more statements. It is used like this. If else statements, if we have to conditions one or more, then we have to use if else statements. And nested if, it means we have to use if in if we have number of equations are, then we have to use nested if statements. And like this we have to use switch statement. It is also using conditions in switch, and we have to use the following statement. In nested switch statement, you can use one switch statement inside another switch statement. So we have to use one switch statement and we have to use another switch statements in nested switch statement. Basically we have to use if else and nested if switch statement. Generally we have to define largest among two number, we have to use if else statement. If we have to find largest among 4, 5, 6, 7, we have to use nested if statement, because we have to use if nested if. It means if inside if inside if inside if. We have to use like this. And now these statements are very important to solve our different kinds of tasks in our C programming language decision making part. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.